Hi, welcome to Spice It Up. So today we're going to make coriander chutney. Simply 2 ingredients. It'll just take 2 minutes to cook. So let's get cooking.
So we're now going to fry the mustard seeds. Just a drop of oil, like that, and then put half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. And while you're frying, just stir it around, and then eventually they start to pop. And there's a beautiful aroma from that. You can smell that in the oil, it's lovely. Now to make the chutney, we're going to put in the coriander. You can put it in as whole, or I like to cut it and then just put it in. And then we can add in the Greek yogurt. The aroma from the coriander is absolutely lovely. It's one of my favorite chutneys. Add in some salt. Now you can put de-seeded chilies. I like to put them as in whole. I like them hot, so just put in 1 or 2. That's now ready, and we can now start to liquidize. So our coriander chutney is ready, and I've made some bread. It's garlic bread, and it's infused with some coriander as well. So let's try this. Actually it's really hot. I think I put an extra chili. I probably shouldn't have done. So when you're making it, just put 1 chili less if you don't like it too hot. Anyway, enjoy this chutney and have it with the pakoras in my previous video that I made. So enjoy this, and like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.